Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss what is car accidents in Los Angeles. Car accidents refer to collisions involving motor vehicles such as cars, trucks, motorcycles or buses resulting in property damage, injuries and sometimes fatalities. They occur due to a variety of factors including human error, mechanical failures, adverse weather conditions, or road hazards. Car accidents can range in severity from minor fender benders to catastrophic crashes. Some common types of car accidents include rear end collisions, side impact collisions, head on collisions, and rollover accidents. The consequences of car accidents can be significant and may involve property damage, personal injuries, emotional distress, legal issues. Property damage. Vehicles involved in the accident can sustain damage ranging from minor scratches to total destruction. Next, personal injuries. Drivers, passengers, and pedestrians involved in the accident may suffer a wide range of injuries, including whiplash, broken bones, traumatic brain injuries, and more. Next, emotional distress. Car accidents can be traumatic events causing emotional distress, anxiety, and post traumatic stress disorder for those involved. Next, legal issues. Car accidents often lead to insurance claims and potential lawsuits to determine fault and seek compensation for damages and injuries. To reduce the risk of car accidents, drivers should practice safe driving habits, obey traffic laws, avoid distractions, example, texting while driving, and maintain their vehicles in good working condition. If you are involved in a car accident, it's essential to follow proper procedures such as checking for injuries, exchanging information with other parties, and notifying the police, seeking medical attention even for seemingly minor injuries is also crucial as some injuries may not be immediately apparent. If you believe the accident occurred due to another driver's negligence, you may consider consulting with a personal injury attorney to understand your rights and options for seeking compensation for your injuries and property damage. Additional prompt reporting to your insurance company is essential to initiate the claims process and protect your rights under your insurance policy. Next, what is property damage? Property damage refers to the harm of destruction of physical assets, belongings, or possessions owned by an individual, business, or entity. It can occur as a result of various incidents such as accidents, natural disasters, vandalism, or intentional acts. Property damage can encompass a wide range of items, including but not limited to vehicles, buildings, personal belongings, real estate, business property. Vehicles. Damage to cars, trucks, motorcycles, or other motor vehicles resulting from accidents or other incidents. Next, buildings. Destruction or harm to residential or commercial structures due to fires, storms, earthquakes, or other catastrophic events. Next, personal belongings. Damage to personal items such as furniture, electronics, appliances, clothing, and other possessions. Next, real estate. Damage to land or other immovable property, including fences, walls, and landscaping. Next, business property. Damage to equipment, inventory, or facilities of a business. In the context of insurance, property damage is often covered under property insurance policy, which protect against financial losses resulting from damage to physical assets. Homeowners insurance, renters insurance, and commercial property insurance are examples of policies that typically include coverage for property damage. In situations where Property damage is caused by someone else's negligence or intentional actions. The affected party may have the right to seek compensation through a property damage claim. Additionally, in some cases, property damage claims can be part of a broader personal injury or tort claim when the harm extends beyond physical assets and includes bodily injuries or emotional distress. To pursue compensation for property damage, the affected party may need to provide evidence of the damage, its cause, and its financial impact. In some cases, an insurance adjuster or legal professional may assess the extent of the damage and help facilitate the claim process. It's essential to document property damage promptly, notify the appropriate authorities or insurance company, and seek legal advice when necessary to protect one's rights and ensure fair compensation for the losses incurred. Next, brief explanation for emotional distress. Emotional distress refers to physiological suffering or mental anguish experienced by an individual as a result of distressing or traumatic events. It can manifest in various ways such as anxiety, fear, depression, grief, anger, or feelings of helplessness. Emotional distress can arise from a wide range of situations, including accidents, injuries, personal attacks, witnessing traumatic events, harassment, or the loss of a loved one. In the legal context, emotional distress may be an element in certain types of civil lawsuits, such as personal injury cases or intentional tort claims. To successfully seek compensation for emotional distress, the following factors are typically required to be established: negligence or wrongful conduct, causation, severity of distress, objective proof. Negligence or wrongful conduct. The emotional distress must result from someone else's negligence, actions, intentional harm, or conduct that goes beyond what society deems acceptable. Next, causation. There must be a direct link between the defendant's action and the emotional distress suffered by the plaintiff. Next, severity of distress. The emotional distress must be significant and go beyond ordinary feelings of sadness or disappointment. Next, objective proof. In some jurisdictions, the plaintiff may need to provide objective evidence of the emotional distress, such as testimony from mental health professionals. It's important to note that emotional distress claims can be complex and challenging to prove. In some cases, the affected individual may seek damages for emotional distress as part of a broader lawsuit, such as a personal injury claim resulting from a traumatic event. If you believe you are experiencing emotional distress due to someone else's actions, it is crucial to seek appropriate support from mental health professionals to address and manage your emotions. If the emotional distress is a result of a traumatic event or the actions of another party, you may wish to consult with a qualified attorney to discuss the possibility of pursuing a legal claim for compensation. So friends, I hope you all understand. Next video we will continue brief explanation for legal issues. I hope you all understand. If you like my explanation, please like and share. For more latest videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.